Welcome to Art Lesson 2, Dynamic Duo Composition. We will focus on positioning your characters effectively within the Puzzle World template. Let's quickly recap the Toriyama blueprint. We learned to build complex forms from simple shapes, which act as an internal skeleton for easy posing. Today's focus is composition, how to place your characters in a specific space. When composing your art, remember the golden rules of space. The lettering rule, keep characters clear of the anime title. The tab rule, avoid drawing key details on puzzle tabs. The grass zone, place your characters firmly on the green area at the bottom. Make this canvas awesome. Decide if you want one character or two. For a small puzzle piece, focus on one character with a powerful stance. For a large puzzle piece, consider a dynamic duo and how they interact or stand back to back. When drafting your duo, first, mark the floor with a line for the grass zone. Second, use your Toriyama circles and boxes for a geometric sketch to block in the character height. Third, check the gaps around the anime lettering to ensure enough breathing room. Now it's time to draft your characters. Use your Toriyama blueprint skills to sketch one or two characters onto your puzzle piece. Ensure they are posed on the green grass zone and are not touching the lettering or tabs. Remember to sketch lightly. In this lesson, we applied geometric construction for dynamic poses and navigated the constraints of the puzzle template. Next time, we will refine those shapes into final character designs with unique hair, costumes, and features.